Hi. Yeah, it feels like it's been forever since I've seen you. What have you been up to? Really? I didn't know they were still doing those. Has it been fun? Ew. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know where that came from. Carry on. Keep going. I'm so sorry. Yeah. You were talking about theater. Yeah. Oh, oh, I... Ew. Oh, I'm so sorry again. I really don't know why that's happening. I'm so sorry. I keep interrupting you. That's so rude. Um. Phew. Sorry, again. Oh, I'm so sorry. My apologies, surely. Now I'm rambling. I'm so sorry. Keep going? Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, oh. I'm, I'm so sorry. I think I have to sneeze again. I'm sorry. Phew. Phew. Sorry. Phew. I'm so sorry. Yeah, maybe today's not a great day for catching up. We should, sorry, I have to sneeze again. Oh, I'm so sorry. We should exchange numbers. We'll call. We'll meet up. Yeah, maybe on a day when this isn't happening. Oh, I'm so sorry. It was nice seeing you, though.